Hmm? You gonna eat them?
Like the taste of that?
She doesn't know what to do with it.
Hold on.
She's sitting in her lap.
Give her some milk. Let her swallow it.
No, she needs to learn how to do that by herself.
You like? Different.
Yeah. Did she swallow it?
I don't know yet. We have to see.
That's some milk, baby.
There you go. There you go. Get her to see what the difference is. Now she getting it, yeah.
Oi, stop moving. Oi. Oi. You're gonna get this all over her face. Oi. She doesn't know what, she's not ready for this yet.
That shit think she is. Give her some milk.
No, she needs to learn how to swallow that by herself.
She will. But I don't want her to sit in her mouth. Hmm? Ah, delicious. Wonderful.
That's what?
There you go. There you go.
Give me something to wipe her face with. Oh, poor baby. Look at you.
So I got plenty more of these days coming. This gonna have her filled up right here though. I'm gonna fill her up. Go ahead, keep feeding her.
Did she swallow it?
Yeah.
Oi, okay.
Nah, go ahead. Don't stop. Hmm? She happy though. She's like, yeah, I'm doing something. What the big people do. Alright?
Turn it off so it's not too long.
Mm-hmm.
Turn it off so it's